friends, so welcome back to Mini Kit Monday. Today I am using my scrapbookingstore.com kit. This is the last layout I will be doing for October 2020 with this kit, and I am a member of the design team. So I love these fall colors. I mean, they are just absolutely gorgeous. This collection is called Hello Fall from Echo Park. And I'm also going to be using this sketch right here. It's part of Christy's Beautiful Life sketch series, her 30 days of sketches. So what I see first off is I'm looking at 4 different pattern papers and they are on top of kind of a plain one, a really center focused photo, and then circular bits. So we can do that. So what I've chosen for my 4 papers so far is I happen to have this cool one right here. Let's see, I also have this cool one. I'm not using them on this, I was just showing you. So I have those 2, which I think is kind of cool that I already have 2 that are being used. Now I have this piece right here, so I better use this instead of my full sheet. So that's 3. And then what's the 4th one? I think I'd like to use this one for my background, and then definitely need to bring in the trucks. So let me move this really cute fall one, meaning fall words, to the side. And let me show you the photo so you can see why I want to use the truck so badly. This cute little old-fashioned truck my son brought to me for a gift, and I had these little pumpkins on my counter, and I'm like, oh, how cute. It's now a pumpkin hauler. Then I come to my handy dandy kit, and look, there's an old-fashioned truck with the wood-looking panels on the side, just like this, hauling pumpkins. So I'm definitely going to be using this in some way, probably as a die cut. So I have that. Now, I also still have the full, well, not the full, because I've used some. I have my sticker sheet from this collection, and I have these great Jolie's Boutique fall leaves. Those are adorable, as well as these fall accents. There's a wreath that reads autumn, which that would really work for some of those circular bits that I'm trying to get in for this sketch. So what I'm going to do is I have to trim my photo and get that matted. I'm probably going to put it on something super prominent and orange like this, so that you'll really, really see it pop right off the page with a really thick mat. And I'm going to get the rest of my triangles taken care of and all mounted on here. And then I'll punch out some circles, figure out what my die cuts are, what my title is, all that kind of stuff. And I'll come back to you when I have a little bit more progress. All right, my friends. So what I did is I went ahead and put this great Jolie's wreath on here. I have inked everything in. All my pieces are stuck down. Now I just stuck this wreath down. This is one of the stickers. So let's go ahead and, let's see. Let's go ahead. I don't want to cover any of that truck. By the way, this truck, I did tell you, was a gift from my son, and I thought it was so cute. So my title will be Sweet Ride, and I'm going to have that go slightly over the photo and have the truck right on top. Then I'm going to go ahead and look at my sticker pieces, figure out what else I can have cascading down on the diagonal, and I'll come back and show you my progress. All right, my friends, let's see how we should finish this up. Now I have some glittery bits up here. So let me look at my Jolie's Boutique's little leaves. They have these rhinestones that are kind of in a champagne and like a mac and cheese kind of a color. So let's see what we could do to bring some of the shiny stuff to both places. I'd like to use one of each up top here. Maybe I can go ahead and stagger them a little bit. Okay, yeah, super cute. And I'll do the same thing down here, probably with 3 of them because that's kind of my vibe. Let me do that. I'll grab 3. There's more orange down here, so I'll do 2 of the champagne color and 1 of the orangey color. So I have that, super cute. And then maybe this one up here. So that's cute. And then, let's see. I have lots of these things left, but I'm wondering if I should wait for my next layout because I have this really great piece. Let's see. because I think any of them will be a little bit small to go with those pieces. They are gorgeous though, aren't they? And maybe I'll use this brownish one right there. It can have a prominent space. Oops. Here we go. Cute. So that'll work off of kind of the flat color that you get from these Jolie's pieces. All right, now next, I do have some enamel dots and sequins that I did bring in. Now these weren't originally with the kit, but I added them to it. So I don't think these colors are gonna do it. Let's see what we can use from here. I like the idea of using some of the yellow. It might be kind of a tone-on-tone vibe. So I can put one there. Oh, I have enough. So I can use 1, 2, 3. Kind of going up so it has a nice vibe going there. And ooh, I'll be able to do the same thing this way. So maybe I'll go right there in the junction and I'll come down. Same kind of vibe, same kind of thing. They're cute. So I have them in both my clusters. That's fun. And you know what, guys? I'm thinking, there's a lot going on, right? But I like it, and I'm feeling like we pretty much achieved this. Now, I wouldn't mind finding one more little bit to go on here. I have this acorn that I really like. That might do it. Let me see. Let's see how he looks. Yeah, let's go ahead and pop him on. I don't know why I've decided it's a him, but, you know, we're doing artistic license here. A little bit of an inkaroo to make it look like the rest of the layout with some leftover ink from yesterday when I was creating this. And we can pop that in. I think it'll be just adorable. Just have a bit more. Do I go like that or have it stick straight up? I think we'll have it just stick straight up. There we go. All right, friends. This is the last layout for Mini Kit Monday for October 2020, as well as my last layout for scrapbookingstore.com with this gorgeous kit from Echo Park. All right, friends, see you later. Bye-bye.